Hey guys, it's Trevor with weldingforbeginners.com. I've always been curious how these Harbor Freight welders work, so I decided to go out and buy one. This is the Titanium Flux 125. It's solely a flux core welder, a wire feed welder. I'm super excited to try it out to see what results we get and to see the capabilities that it has as well. So stay tuned, watch the video, and we'll figure out how this thing works. So I got my material prepped. Today I'm going to be welding a T-joint, and I'm using 3/16 material. So let's see what the welder says that we need to set the settings at. As you can see here to the far right, it says 3/16, and that's the plate that I'm welding. Down at the bottom it says that the wire speed needs to be 10 and the voltage needs to be set at F. So that's what we're going to set it at, and we're going to weld and we're going to see how she runs. Alright, so we got our pieces prepped and ready to weld. We're going to tack it together and we're going to start welding. We're going to see how she runs. So I'm going to tack my pieces together real quick. T-joint. And we're going to start welding. Make sure my tip is nice and clean. Make sure that my material is ready. You can see I grinded it down. Got all the mill scale off. And yeah, just with the tacks alone, I could tell that it should be a pretty smooth little welder, which I was quite impressed. Once again, for my settings, I need to be at F, and then at my wire speed, I need to be about 10. So let's get to welding it. So this is how it looks all cleaned up. You can see there's some spatter, but that's pretty general for a flux core welder. And on the back side, there's some really good consistent penetration as well. Definitely impressed with how it ran, the penetration I got, and the formation of my bead I got for the first bead ran on this welder. All right, to review this 125 Titanium Flux core, I thought it was definitely a bang for your buck. I bought a warranty for it, and after the warranty I paid $253. I was also super impressed with how it welded the 3/16" plate, and I did multiple passes on it. I ran it for about 30 minutes and it ran solid the entire time. So I was super impressed with that as well. I think this machine is perfect for small repairs. Either on the farm or a gate repair. It's perfect for practice welding, and it's a great money saver as well. It's for jobs, it's perfect to carry, so you can put this over your shoulder and carry it. And another great benefit, it's only 110 volt power. So to run it multiple places, if you had a outlet, you could plug it into just about anywhere. So that's a great benefit as well. So overall, I really like this machine. I thought it was a great machine. I only used it for a little while, but the entire time it ran strong and it ran really good. So overall, this was a great machine that I highly recommend, especially for the price. For more training and tips and tricks, go to weldingforbeginners.com. It's a welding course online where I show you how to get machines like this and other machines, and I teach you how to weld, and I teach you some building fundamentals and things like that. So go check out the website if you would like more information. Once again, weldingforbeginners.com. That's where you can find us.